Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video I'm going to do a Stomperella, and thanks for the suggestion. I'm just going to map on where her head is roughly there. She's got like a little helmet type thing on, riding a hoverboard. Reminds me a bit of Back to the Future too. When I was a kid I used to love that movie with the hoverboards. There we go. We haven't quite got them out yet. There's the top of her head, and then she's got these cool ear parts on. So I'm just going to map them on. Sort of rounded triangle pieces. Now she's got these ear, looks like they're ear muffs or something like that. There's one on that side. And then on this other side, it curves out like that. Now she's got a mask coming down like this. I wonder what animal she's based on. What animal do you guys think she is? Comment below what animal you think Stomperella is. Look like whisker lines there and there. So I've just sketched her up. She's got some hair coming out the back there, out here. With these trickier drawings, especially it pays to construct them up using pencil. Don't want to be wasting lots of paper and getting frustrated. You can rub out any bits that you're not happy with. Now, because I've got her head that size, her body's a similar sort of size. So her body and then her board's probably going to be down here roughly. So we've got this little piece that winds its way down. So I'm just going to map on the body first, because who's ever done a drawing and they've got an awesome detail and then it's just ran off the page because they didn't allow enough space. I know I have. It can be kind of frustrating. That's why I'm just sort of mapping on this. That's her front foot there. Yep, so it's going to fit. And this is the board. So let's just get this looking good now with her arm coming. I'm guessing it's a girl. Stomperella. It's got the word, is that Oz on the front? Could it be a girl kangaroo if it's from Oz? Got the big ears. It's got a good tail like a kangaroo. What do you reckon? This is the front. That juts back in there. And then this is the other hand of Stomperella. 1, 2, 3 bits there with the arm coming around. Got this cool little arm piece on. Extra details, and it looks to be a tail out the back there. And then there's the hoverboard. Curves around like that. See a bit of the bottom, that's because it's bent up. Bit like the Sydney Opera House there. But it's the back of the board. Okay, I'm going to go around Stomperella with a 0.3. Let's start with the eyes.